Hi, welcome to Madcom. In this particular video, we will be discussing one previous year question asked in the CBSE Class 10 board examination in science from the chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction. This question has been asked for 5 marks. If you are able to understand the concept behind or the how to interpret or how to answer this particular question, the same pattern is reflected or the same pattern is repeated in most of the year's question papers. Okay. So first we will understand the question. An object of height 4 centimeter is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from the optical center O of a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Draw a ray diagram to find the position and the size of the image formed. Mark optical center, principal focus F on the diagram. Also find the approximate ratio of size of the image to the size of the object. So they have asked for the approximate ratio of size of the image to the size of the object. That means they are asked you to calculate the ratio of height of the image to height of the object. This is nothing but they ask you to calculate the magnification. In the question, they have given that object is placed at a 4 centimeter away. Sorry, object of height 4 centimeter is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter from the optic center, and the focal length of the convex lens is given as 20 centimeter. So by having this data, we can plot a rough diagram. That means we are having a convex lens. So we are having principal axis. This point, the center of the lens is called optic center. For the drawing purpose, you can give a middle connection to it. Now they're telling that the focal length is 20 centimeter. So let it be here. Let it be F2. So this is at 20 centimeter. Since it is symmetrical, we can do it on the other side also. This is F1. This is also at 20 centimeter. If F2 is at 20 centimeter, F1 is also 20 centimeter. Obviously, the 2F2 will be a part of 40 centimeter. Here you will be having 2F1. Now they're telling that the object is placed at a distance of 30 centimeter. That means object is between F1 and 2F1. At the mid of the object, here we have at F1 and 2F1. Between F1 and 2F1, the object is placed. Object height is 4 centimeter. So how can we draw diagram? Sorry, how can we draw the ray diagram? The thing is that in order to form image, we need the coincidence of or the convergence of at least 2 refracted rays. We have many principles are there in order to draw the rays. The best and easiest thing, if the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, after refraction, it will pass through the focus. So if we are drawing a ray parallel to the principal axis, so this is the incident ray parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it will pass through the focus. See, basically, the refraction happens here because it is entering from air to glass, glass to air. But it is very difficult to do both the things in the same diagram. That is why we will show only refraction at the center. Basically, refraction happens here. So after refraction, it will pass through the focus. So this is the one incident and refracted ray. The another thing is that if any incident ray passes through the optic center, it will pass without any refraction. So if you are drawing a ray which is passing through the optic center, it will pass without undergoing any refraction. So if you are drawing it up, both is getting coincided here. So here both the refracted rays are getting coincided here, so the image formation takes place. So it should be a straight line, sorry. It is going to be the image. We should not give underrated lines, so make it very sharp. So if you're taking green on extension here and red is getting extended and it will meet here. Fine. Then what you can understand, you need to identify position and the size of the image formed. You can understand here when you're considering the image is larger than the size of the object. So the first point you can write it as image is formed beyond 2f2 because image is formed beyond 2f2. Image is real. Why real? Because the image is formed as a result of convergence between two refracted rays, original refracted ray, not the extended ones. So what do you mean by real image? If you're placing a screen over there, if you're placing a screen over here, at that place, you can copy the image of the, you can copy that particular image to that particular screen. So it is a real image. With respect to the object, the orientation of the image is opposite. That is why you are getting a real and inverted image. When you're comparing the size of the object and size of the image, we are getting an enlarged image. We are getting an enlarged image. Fine. So the first part. Mark the optic center and principal focus. Principal focus is marked, optic center is marked. Also find approximate ratio between size of the image and size of the object. So we need to calculate the magnification. We know the magnification is equal to HI divided by HO. But we don't know what is the value of HI. We have another equation for magnification. Magnification is equal to V by U. What is V? V is the object distance, image distance. U is the object distance. Here they have told that the object is placed 30 centimeter away from the lens. So the U value is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Why it is minus 30? This is the direction of incident ray. Object is placed here. If you are measuring from the optic center, the length is measured in opposite direction. That is why according to sign convention, the measurement which is taken in opposite to the direction of the incident ray will be considered as negative. So it is minus 30 centimeter. Then the second point, they have given focal length. The focal length of convex lens is positive. Focal length of convex lens is positive. So the f is going to be 20 centimeter. We know that according to lens maker's formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. We need to calculate 1 by v. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. So this is nothing but u plus f divided by uf. So v is equal to uf divided by u plus f. What is u? U is minus 30. F is 20 divided by minus 30 plus 20. This is nothing but equal to minus 600 divided by minus 10. So this is going to be 60 centimeter. So V is going to be 60 centimeter. If V is good, if V is available, we can calculate magnification equal to V by U. That is V is equal to 60. U is equal to minus 30. So magnification is going to be minus 2. So if magnification is minus 2, we can calculate height of the image divided by height of the object equal to magnification. This is nothing but equal to minus 2. Since image is perpendicular up to the principal axis, that will be considered as positive. Therefore, height of the image by height of the object is going to be 4 centimeter. That is also positive, equal to minus 2. Therefore, the height of the image will be equal to minus 2 into 4. That is equal to minus 8 centimeter. That means the image size is going to be twice as that of the size of the object. So, size of the image equal to 2 times size of the object. Why negative sign? Since object is placed up to the principal axis, image is formed down. So if this is positive, this is going to be negative. Erect images are positive and inverted images are negative as per sign convention. So we have seen this particular question from a previous year question from CBSE board examination. So I think explanation was clear. If you need any clarification, anything else, do let me know in the comment section. If you need to see the solution for any other questions, it can be also pinned in the comment section. If you can check the various watch lists are available in the channel. There you can see the classes or the questions connected with +1 chemistry, +2 chemistry, +1 and +2 mathematics, then for class 10 science and mathematics, and various competitive exams questions are also there. You can check it out. Please do like to this particular value, so to this particular video. As a token of gratitude, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep learning. Bye.